Alrighty, so we've traveled thousands of miles by air, hundreds of miles on land. We've seen travel trailers, teardrops,
Class C,
fifth wheels, Class Bs, and we ran the pendulum on what we're doing. And we finally decided to move forward with one. It took a lot of discussion and planning on what we wanted to do in order for this to happen. So we decided that we were going to go with a Class A motorhome 2003 Dana Challenger. Chassis is in incredible shape. Engine only has 25,000 miles on it, but it doesn't work.
it needs a little bit of love, but we knew we wanted to do a fixer-upper and make it our own instead of buying a brand new one. We were interested in buying brand new ones, but even if we got a brand new one, we were still gonna make it our own. So why not get a fixer-upper?
Yep. We walked through a lot of new ones.
Experience of making our own.
We walked through a lot of new ones, and we saw that there was a lot of work that needed to happen, even in the new ones that you'll see in video. And we felt that it would be better just to do it all in one, and then we're going to get a towed vehicle to be on the back of this, to be our go-around car. But we're going to take you along the journey that we're about to go on with this. So buckle up. So we started off our journey looking around up in Alabama for travel trailers, and we made our way down to Florida to find this trailer. As you saw in the previous video, we were down in the Siesta Key area, down in Sarasota, and this is where we were going to look, and we found it there. So we are actually down in the Pasco County area in Florida, staying at my father's house, and he's a man of very good trades, and he's going to help us out with some of the renovation that we're going to do in here. So we're all going to learn something along the way. This will be a first motor home for him to work on, and it'll be first for us to do any sort of big renovation. So it's forecast is really good for at least sunny weather, but it's going to be hot along the way though. But we figured he has the space and the space to allow us to be down here. So we're going to do this down here, and then that was my first time backing that thing up ever. Not too bad.
Only a couple tries, but
It wasn't even that bad of a turn down the driveway. Nice thing about Florida, the roads are very nice and wide no matter where you go. So getting around was nice and easy. We had to take out a mailbox though to get this down the driveway, but it is what it is. So let the renovation begin.